Hi everybody. The tech tool that I decided to learn about is called Animoto. And as you can see right here, students are able to use photos and video clips and music and put them into slideshows. So there's so many different things that you can use this for, so many different subjects too. So this has been pretty fun to mess around with. But you can see already that I'm logged in here and I'm going to click on Create. And there are going to be two options to choose from, either the marketing side or the memory side. And I'm going to go to the memory side and let you explore the marketing side, just so we have enough time. I've signed in as an educator, so you'll see that they'll bring up some options that'll work well for what you and I would like for the classroom. But if you scroll down here, there are so many, it really is impressive, so many options to choose from. And I am going to go back up here because I actually did find one that I like under personal. It's called the Memory Box, and we will see a sample play. And you can watch the whole sample, make sure you like it, and I'm going to click Create Video. Alright, on the column on the left, you have some options, so I'm going to upload some pictures first, just so that can get started, because I have quite a few. It's so neat. You can pull them from all different places. They also have a lot of free stock images, which is pretty impressive. The students would love looking through those between travel and nature, birthday photos. But I'm going to go here and upload some. I have a folder open, and so I'm just going to select these from when I was teaching. And while those upload, you can change the style that you previously had if you decided you want to a different option for what you already chose. You can add a logo. I imagine this would be like your school logo or something. It looks pretty professional. I don't have one to upload right now, but I did see it on a different video that I tried earlier. We're adding pictures and videos right now, and then you can also add text. So I'm going to click on that now just while our video is uploading. Put in 5th grade art. We'll do portfolio. Portfolio, save. And it's down here, so the neat thing about Animoto is that you can drag around all of your photos and videos. Spread out my videos here. You can see they're gray. Kind of nice that they show up a little bit differently. And I'm going to spread out some of my pictures. So you just drag and drop wherever you want them to be. And I'm going to select this one because you can edit your photo. So I'm just double clicking on that. And I need to rotate it. I like the way it looks, so I don't need to edit it, and I still want to use it, so I'm not going to delete it, but it will save. And so now I think I've got everything placed where I want it. Everything's right side up. Looks good. Put this one in the front. There we go. The neat thing about this is you can click on the videos as well, and instead of playing this full length here, I might just want to see a portion of it, which is a really nice option because we all have videos of things and would maybe all not want the whole thing. So I'm just going to click over a little bit and save a portion. I don't actually know if that's perfect, but you get it. You get the idea. Maybe they don't need to see everything, but they might just want to know this portion of the clip. Let me make sure I get the whole thing in here. Whoop. These 3 paints. There we go. Save that. And this one. And one thing I'm remembering here too actually is that while the videos play, there's also music playing. And if you don't want your voice to show up on here or the students talking or anything that might be in the background, I can just turn off the sound and that will save. And that's what I'm going to do each one of these videos actually, because I really just want the visual. They don't need to hear me talking. So yeah, I think you can choose the way it shows up as well. I'm going to choose the smaller icon just because I can see it better, but that's kind of nice for you to see too. You can change that layout. Then I'm going to go here and I'm just going to preview it. I'm going to wait a little bit. Oh, you know what I remembered? I wanted to change the music. So instead of letting the whole thing play through, I'm actually gonna continue editing and go up to here, change song. There's also some for you to choose from. Otherwise, you can upload a song through here, but I found one. Again, popular for education. It's nice that they can pick some out for you. I already like this one, so you might view it or listen to it. That's a little bit more upbeat. That's much more fun. I'm going to select that. That should be better. Now I think we're ready. Oh, one more thing I thought maybe I should show you. I can click on, let's say this for example, and you can put the caption underneath. I forgot to show you that. So that would be neat. You could have students label the images that they choose to pull in there. All right, now we're ready to preview. See how this goes. Some patience. Here it comes. That's better. There we go. So if you like it, you can produce it. If you want to keep editing, you can surely go back and do that. I'm ready to produce this. So you'll click there. I'm going to title it 5th grade art. And you can fill in the date if you want or description just to remember. Choose the quality and the cover image. You might want to change it. I might put, oh, I don't know. That's just kind of a fun one. 6th grade, that's cute too. Okay, choose this one just because it's bright. Use this image. Okay, and then you'll click finish, and then there will be all your options for uploading that wherever you choose. So thanks for watching. Hopefully that was helpful. It was honestly a blast to mess around with it. I hope that you can use it in your classroom. Just as a quick note, you would see that mine says trial on it, and actually, I did find a free version for those of you who want to use it for your classroom because you use a code or an email that's actually through your school. And since I'm not currently teaching, I don't have that as an option, but I'll put that in the link below so that you have the option of having Animoto for free, which I know is always helpful. And yeah, it's been fun to learn. So hopefully you have some good ideas and that you can have some fun with it too.